those Italian hands down.
So
Stop
many
talking.
clients who are so
Yeah.
expressive, their fucking eyebrows move.
I have people do that when I'm trying to do a wax.
It's like,
And
do you
it's like
realize I'm up here tinting?
The Capri out, and I'm like,
yeah.
what the
Yes.
fuck?
Oh my
Like,
God, I hope
what
I'm
is
not yelling.
happening?
Yes.
I'll just be honest.
Yeah. Make a joke of it. It has to be done because they're going to end up with a really bad job.
I'll say like it's a new client and maybe you don't know, and then when they come again, I've usually written in the notes and it's like, hey, I'm just going to let you have a nap because you have really sudden baby lashes.
Yeah.
And they're going to pop out.
Yeah.
And they're going to stick together.
Yeah.
They're going to come out. And then if you want me to unpop them and fiddle around with the tweet, like, please, you know.
Yeah.
But then I'm going to have to
You end up paying
5
for
minutes
it.
earlier because I
Yeah.
know that they're going to be come out or
Yeah.
whatever the problem is.
They're going to
high
lose out
cheeks
on,
or whatever.
on time, good lashing time.
Yeah.
Or they're not going to last.
Especially if they're like late or they're like, oh, can we go fuller next time? It's like, yeah, shut up. Yeah, we can. Like,
don't take this advice.
but you do it friendly,
Yeah.
obviously. I'm not like, shut up, you know, your blushes getting bad, you know, but you just make a joke, like, because you've got to report.
So ridiculous.
You know? You never know.
God.
What if they don't?
This
I
is
have
not how we talk to clients, by the way. This
No,
is
but
not how we
you
talk to clients.
do it, like, chill.
You have your,
As a
like,
joke.
telephone voice on it.
Free lip
Like,
mask. Just do a free lip mask.
Yeah. I think free lip... I can't even speak. I've just got
But you
this
just have
image
to
of
be
you doing this in
honest.
your head.
You catch me on the camera doing that. I did that with a light once with someone.
What?
Like one of my
What
clients.
did you do?
I interrogated her with the light. She went somewhere. She went somewhere else as a joke, like closer because she came from Brisbane.
Yeah.
And I was like, "Tell me where you went." She was like, just kidding.
I think it's easy because you're naturally a funny person
Yeah.
and people expect the sarcasm.
Yeah.
From me, a little bit less because I own the place and I'm a little bit less sarcastic.
But you know your clients. Like if it's like,
yeah, you
old
know if
lady.
you've built that rapport.
just have a nap.
Yeah, well, I know you've got a
Shut up.
hard client when you're not talking. When you're quiet, I'm like, fuck, what's going on over there?
But it's hard because the parking is so bad.
Yeah.
That like
You can't even
really
talk to get the job done.
talk to
Yeah, I
anyone.
know.
Because you just like get in and sit down.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Yes.
Yeah. But yeah, free lip mask. Just be honest.
Yeah. Free lip
They're not
mask,
gonna care.
guys. You can get those hydro jelly lip masks. You can get like and you just chuck it on their lips and just say they can't talk. They can if they want to, but you just tell them that they can't.
To just bring headphones. So some people like listen to podcasts.
Yeah.
I have a client that listens to guided meditation.
Yep.
That's cool.
Bianca with her podcast. We're fucking,
She?
fucking alarms go off every
No,
5
that's-
seconds. I'm like, how is this relaxing
Yeah,
for
no, I
you?
have another one, and she's just like so zen.
People